Make a positive impact. Stand for pros.
Have you all heard of MSD? MSD stands for musculoskeletal disorders, which are injuries or disorders of the muscles, nerves, tendons, joints, cartilage, spinal discs. And as hair pros, our work puts us at the highest risk for MSDs.
Okay, Min, I believe you have recorded few videos for us, right?
Yes, today we'll see the basics, the best practices for warming up, stretching, breathing. Because I'm always working with the brush, it's really important for me, if I need to, and even before I do anything, I warm up my hands, and to stretch out my wrists is really, really helpful and just feels good. So we often work with repetitive gestures and with high levels of concentration, technique, and precision. It impacts our arms, our necks, and our upper body. I think something that we forget to do is to take deep breaths. So if you inhale through your nose and breathe into your belly, which is why you put your hands on your belly, and you exhale through your mouth, it forces you to take a much fuller breath. So it also has a very calming effect. We have long days standing in the same spot. You have to know how and when to take breaths.
Yeah, it must be very important to do between clients, really, because I have such a bad posture when I work. I never think of even breathing, and I know it's very important.
Okay, Min, is it your personal routine or have you followed a kind of program?
I've been lucky enough to have a ton of valuable classes and support from L'Oréal Professionnel, which is also helping to support the community. It's really helped to integrate all the important moves that are really good for the health and safety of our bodies on the job.
This position, I love it.
Yeah, it's great for the lower back. I love it for the lower back. It's really nice.
I like doing this actually at the end of the day too, when my muscles are really tight. Stretching out and moving our leg over, it's another way just to release some of the tension from our joints.
This looks more advanced.
Plank is one of my favorites. When you have your foot in front of the other foot, that's actually a modified version. When you stack your feet, that's more advanced, but the most advanced is when you lift your leg. And you want to make sure you keep a nice long neck. And always it's about engaging your core. So it's that connection to your breath, it's that connection to your core, which really helps to strengthen your entire body. So because we spend so much time on our feet, it's really important to make these exercises so that we can help to prevent getting MSD. In addition to this, it's taking into account everything. So from family history to the food that I eat, to making sure that I get enough sleep and drinking a lot of water. If we don't take care of our bodies, we're not gonna have the longevity that we need for our career.
Thank you so much, Min, because it's so important to know how to take care of our body, our brain, and how to reconnect. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Min.
Stand for pros.
Did you love Stand for Pros? Don't forget to subscribe for more.